I've used many products, health products and beauty products and products for the face and skin, and none of them really compare. I mean, I've been using products for a few years now, and I was very happy when Dr. Copeland introduced me to her line. None of the products I used really had the effect that her products had, and the immediacy also. Some other products that I've used in the past, they would say, well, give it time, or use it for a while, you'll start to see differences. But I really didn't see differences short term that I see with Dr. Copeland's products. Long term, also much better long-term change in the skin tone, in the skin texture, in the healthy lookingness of the skin itself with Dr. Copeland's products. And I love the cleanser. The cleanser is the best thing that I've ever found for cleaning my kind of older, drier skin, because it's not so greasy that you're left with a greasy film, but it's not drying at all. I really love that part.
Your face is your future. And if you start to look old and haggard, you're going to start to feel that way. When you look in the mirror and you look tired and you don't look healthy and bright and vibrant, you're going to start to feel that way. I did. And I just go, yeah. And now I look in the mirror in the morning and go, you're looking pretty good. I see people and I literally have to stop myself from going over to strangers and saying, if you just did this. But yes, I have all my daughters, all of them use it, all of my best friends use it, anybody that comes near me. And I've had people on airplanes and in stores and, just around say, what do you use? And that's a loaded question because I just go on and on and on and on. I started using them. My skin just, is so nice now. I really like the way my skin looks without makeup now. And I never, of course, women from Texas always wear makeup. We don't take our trash out unless we have our makeup on. And I was always like that. And the times that I was caught, for example, when one daughter went into labor, and I just stepped out of the shower, and her husband was away, and I had to go and get her and take her to the hospital, I was horrified. I had no makeup on at that hospital. I was horrified. So it's just not something I've ever been able to do, is go out in public without my makeup. Now if I get a call and somebody needs something, I don't think a thing of it. I put a little of her lip gloss, which is perfect because I don't like to wear a lot of color, and out the door I go.
I love her products. The bath gel is wonderful. The moisturizers are all wonderful. I've tried 3 different lines of her products. They make your skin feel great. They make you look good. Your skin sometimes tends to get a little ashy, and this takes it away without feeling greasy, because my skin is both oily and dry in different areas throughout my entire body. I can use her products and everything balances out wherever it needs to. I would absolutely recommend this product to friends and family. I've pointed people already to the website and said, check this out, it's really good. I definitely want other people to know about these products. I trust Dr. Copeland, I trust her products. They've done wonders for me, and I will continue to use them. They're really great.
I originally had started using Michelle Copeland Skin Care products because I had a lot of breakouts in my skin, so I started exclusively using her products in January. And since then, there's just been an enormous improvement in my skin. The pores are much finer. There's been a significant diminishment of the wrinkles around my eyes and around my mouth. And as you can see, my skin is no longer broken out as it had been. And, of course, that's done a lot to help me in terms of my self-esteem and confidence. You don't want to face the world, looking like you have crummy skin. And, her products have just been wonderful, and I would use anything else. I think, they've really made a remarkable difference. You don't want to say it's like magic, but, you just, after a while, you don't expect that you're going to get too much better. You get used to things not really working as dramatically as these products work.
I was having problems with acne, and the acne formula made my skin feel great. From the first application, I could feel a tingling. And I told Dr. Copeland that it was this amazing feeling. It felt clean. It actually felt like it was sucking the blackheads and the dirt out of my skin. And it felt wonderful. And I looked good after using it. So for the acne formula, that's how I felt. With the suntan lotion, it's a nice feeling. It's a nice cream lotion that you can spray on, so it has a nice feeling to it, and it's convenient for the beach and for the pool, and for just walking out in the street. I feel that it still makes me look better and helps with my problems.
I want to put something that is healing to my face and also something that is nourishing. So all of Dr. Copeland's products do that. They have vitamins and different exfoliating acids inside, which bring out, your natural glow. This isn't about stripping the skin of its natural essential oils or any of that nutrients. This is just about making your skin the best that it can possibly be.
For my neck, it's just really the anti-aging cream, and then the body is just the alpha hydroxy body smoothing cream, and I absolutely love that because I really have seen a difference. I've seen a difference with the neck cream, which has been amazing because, just just from going out in the sun. I grew up in Florida, and I'm not a big sun worshiper at all. In fact, I never do. I really actually only use self-tanning products now, but still you get the minor little freckles and sun damage, and it truly has reversed the skin damage on my neck. I have seen the difference.
What brought me to Dr. Copeland is with my acne situation, I had tried so many different products and nothing worked. So when I did come here and I saw the change, not only did I have acne, but I had spots, very dark spots in my face. So that in itself made me a whole different person. I mean, people used to joke and say to me that they can connect the dots with my face, and that was very embarrassing. So now I can look up and, eat your heart out because those spots are gone.
It really does deliver, and nothing else has quite to that extent. So I would say try it. Try it once. It's well worth the investment.
I feel that Dr. Copeland's products have helped me out in the aspect of I have sensitive skin and as well as oily skin, and I have not broken out as a response to her skincare line.
All through my 20s, having various different kinds of skin difficulties with my skin, I've tried all different kinds of products, higher-end department store products, over-the-counter products. So it's easy for me to say that these products are, one, worth every penny that you pay for them, and also that they've been more effective than anything I've ever used in the past.
People look at me as younger. I'm 62. And everyone takes me for 50 years old, in my early 50s, and even when I'm with my daughter, they think we're sisters instead of mother and daughter, and it annoys her a little.
Her products have changed my skin's texture. I find that my skin is smoother. I find that where I have a tendency to get brown spots, it's changing them so that they're lighter, and it's blending in with the rest of my face. I find I don't break out half as much, and the longer I've been using them, the better things seem to be. My skin is brighter.
The way Dr. Copeland has her products listed is there's a number system, so you pretty much know which product to use at what point. It helps you to develop a really good routine when it comes to keeping your face looking clean and healthy, because that's important to me.